Farm. Farm ng kamatis, oh. Dami. Yeah. Look at that one. It's a kamatis. It's a tomato, Ryzen.
Look, this
Yeah.
is a
Go the other side. Let's go here. Look at that. Wow.
Ay, hindi pwede anak, no. It's singkamas.
See?
Singkamas.
This is the beans of singkamas. In English, turnip. Turnip. Yan.
Saan mo yan?
Tinatanim yan. Yung beans na yan, tinatanim yan para maging singkamas yung laman. So,
This
bago yan,
chocolate.
bago itanim yan at lumabas yung beans na yan, tinatamnan ng pampunla. Yan. Tapos yung bunga niyan, yun yung buto, yun itatanim uli bago magiging singkamas na. Yan. Dami. Look at that. Oh my god. So dami. This one. Singkamas. Yeah. Singkamas. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. See? That's singkamas. Look at that farm. Wow. And this one is tomato. Yan. Yan. Yun. So ang kabila naman nun is mga like that. Ang kabila ng mga tomato. Wow. Yeah. Yun, namumulaklak na. See the flower? Yeah. That's it. Look at that. Yeah, that's it. Yan. This is the singkamas. Yan. Singkamas. That's it. Singkamas. Yeah. This is mga tomato. Oh. Say bye.